ja. My baby ja. Today, Papa will help happy with us well. Ja. My baby ja. My baby ja.
This one all my children they happy they come. Wetin dey happen?
Papa, guess what?
Guess
what na?
Guess what? What you don come again? Why do you want me to guess?
Papa, guess kwanu.
Oh, I don tell una say I no sabi guess. So abeg, mo na put me through. What is happening so that I go follow una rejoice?
Papa don get scholarship.
Scholarship?
Yes, Papa.
You know what they call scholarship?
I know na.
Let me glance through. Jesus, na London o.
Yes, Papa.
Na London you get scholarship to go study like this.
Please study, Papa.
Jesus, wetin I do? What am I seeing?
I get first. Among all the 100 students wey for my class, na only me wey get first.
Na true o. Chukura, wetin I do wey God dey bless me like this? Emeka,
Papa.
God don bless me. I don really dey very happy. As una don surprise me now.
Papa.
Me, I wan surprise una too. So wetin you wan chop?
I wan chop fried rice and chicken.
Fried rice and chicken?
Yes.
Only that one?
Yes.
I go give you 2 plates of it.
Okay, Papa.
Don't worry. Chukura, wetin you wan chop?
Papa, I know say me I like ice cream.
I know say you like ice cream. That dey white like oyibo. Tell me how many you need.
Papa, 2 plates.
I go make am 4. As una don surprise me like this, una don make me happy. I go make una happy today. This thing like this, na only God na him go fit do am. And anybody wey get pikin, wey the pikin dey do well, must be happy. More na come make we dey go.
Oh, drop my bag now.
No need to drop bag. No.
All I know is that Mmakwara knows more than all these children. Yeah, children. Mmakwara is a smart kid. Look at, can you imagine? One collected first, the other one collected scholarship. If it is Mmakwara will take first and take scholarship at the time.
Are you playing?
And I know that as he's coming back, he's going to come back with his scholarship. That is it. Nonsense.
You be mumu.
Mmakwara is the smartest among all of them. Mmakwara is not a year child. Hey, my boy, come here.
Me?
Come here, yes. Come. Come like this. Do you know my son they call Mmakwara?
Yes.
Yes, you know Mmakwara very well.
Yes.
Mmakwara passed his exam. He made first. You understand me?
Yes.
Then also he collected scholarship to study in abroad. I want you to go message for me.
Okay, sir.
There is this drink they call Bitramouth. Bitramouth, do you know it? Bitramouth.
No.
Bitramouth. Mmakwara likes it very well. So I want you to go and buy it so that when he calls back, he will drink it.
Sir, Bitramouth.
Yes, Bitramouth.
Bitramouth.
Yes.
Sir, but is it better mouth?
Bitramouth. Sorry. I want you to go and get that drink for me. Yes. So let me look for. Take. Go and buy the drink for me.
Okay, sir.
I buy it now. Mmakwara, my son, is coming home, so that he will drink it now. Go. Don't worry, sir. That's my boy. Go. I will buy it for a reasonable pikin, not all this jaga pikin they are praising. Omekanya. Omekanya na kebono. I know it. Yes. I know that you are going to make me proud in this house. You are going to be the first among every other person in the world. In fact, in Nigeria.
Will you keep quiet?
Okay, in Africa. In the whole continent. You are going to be the first. You are a great man. I know it. I know that you are going to make me proud. That's why I said, let your mother go. Let you stay. Do you understand me?
Papa, this one you are praising me like this. I hope all is well.
Yes. For you to come out first among all your classmates, that's why I'm happy with you.
Papa, how does that take first?
Huh?
But me, I take 80 out of 85.
You say you did what?
80 out of 85. But I even just you.
What are you saying?
Come, may I even try you? Some people they take 85 out of 85.
You dey use your
Some
function
people
to
they take
play.
84 out of 85. Me, I can't take 80 out of 85. For me, I get wisdom now. Take us, I get wisdom.